Did you know that 9 out of 10 drivers have no idea their car is hiding features that could save them money, stress, and even their life? And here's the kicker. One of these buttons alone could save you thousands in repairs before you waste another dollar at a mechanic or get stranded somewhere unexpected. Let's uncover 17 hidden car features you probably didn't know existed. Make sure you stick around until the end. The number 1 feature might already be in your car, just waiting to be activated. Secret number 17. Extendable sun visor. Flip down your sun visor. Now check if it slides outward. Many cars include a hidden extension panel that blocks sunlight coming from the side, especially during sunrise or sunset. It's a small feature that makes a big safety difference. Secret number 16. The traction control button. You've seen the button. A car with squiggly lines behind it. That's your traction control system. It prevents your wheels from spinning on slippery surfaces like ice, rain, or gravel. But here's what nobody tells you. If you're stuck in deep snow or mud, traction control can actually stop you from getting out by cutting engine power. Turning it off temporarily allows wheel spin to help you escape. Just remember to turn it back on afterward. Secret number 15. The recirculation button is more powerful than you think. That button with a car and a circular arrow, it doesn't just recycle air. It blocks outside pollution, exhaust fumes, and strong odors from entering your cabin. In extreme heat, it can improve AC efficiency by up to 20%, cooling your car faster and reducing system strain. It even helps extend the life of your cabin air filter. Secret number 14. Turning off lane departure warnings. That constant beeping when you slightly drift in your lane? Most cars allow you to adjust or completely turn off lane departure warnings. Look for a button on your steering wheel showing a car between lane lines, or check your vehicle settings menu. You can often reduce the sensitivity or disable it entirely. Secret number 13. Steering wheel adjustment lever. Many drivers never adjust their steering wheel, even when uncomfortable. Under the steering column, there's usually a lever that allows you to tilt or telescope the wheel. Proper positioning improves control, enhances airbag safety alignment, reduces neck and shoulder strain. A 10-second adjustment can transform your driving experience. Secret number 12. The hidden key inside your key fob. Picture this. You're standing outside your car. Your key fob battery is dead. Panic sets in. But here's what most drivers don't realize. Inside almost every modern key fob is a hidden mechanical key. There's usually a small latch or sliding switch on the side or back. Press it, and a physical key slides out. Even better, the door lock itself is often hidden behind a small plastic cover on the handle. This tiny backup feature can save you from a $200 locksmith bill in the middle of the night. Secret number 11. Advanced hazard light functions. Most drivers press the hazard button once and forget it. But in some vehicles, pressing and holding it activates enhanced emergency flashing modes. Certain models may increase visibility patterns or brightness for roadside emergencies. Check your owner's manual. Your hazards might be smarter than you think. Secret number 10. The fuel cap arrow. Ever pulled up to a gas pump on the wrong side? Look at your dashboard fuel icon. There's a tiny arrow next to it, pointing left to right. That arrow tells you exactly which side your fuel cap is on. This feature has been standard since the 1990s, and many drivers still miss it. Secret number 9. Open windows with your remote. On many cars, holding the unlock button for a few seconds rolls down all the windows. This allows hot air to escape before you enter. In extreme summer heat, cabin temperatures can reach 130 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature makes a huge difference, and it's completely free. Secret number 8. Fuel cap holder inside the gas door. Inside your fuel door, there's often a small hook or slot. That's where your fuel cap is meant to rest while refueling. Letting it hang or placing it on your car can scratch paint or allow dirt into your fuel system. A tiny habit change could prevent expensive fuel system damage. Secret number 7. Shift lock override. If your battery dies and you can't shift into neutral, you're not stuck. Near the gear shifter, there's usually a small plastic cover hiding a mechanical override button. Remove the cover, press the release, and you can shift gears manually. This feature can help you move your vehicle out of traffic during an emergency. Secret number 6, Rear View Mirror Anti-Glare Tab. That tiny tab under your rearview mirror, flip it at night. It reduces headlight glare by changing the reflection angle. This simple mechanism has helped drivers for decades, yet many drivers still don't use it. Secret number 5, the snowflake warning light. That snowflake icon on your dashboard isn't decorative. It activates when outside temperatures approach freezing. It warns you about potential icy road conditions, especially black ice. Pay attention to it. It's there for a reason. Secret number 4, glow-in-the-dark trunk escape handle. Since 2002, U.S. law requires passenger cars to include an internal trunk release. It glows in the dark and allows someone trapped inside to escape. It's rare to need it, but critical if you ever do. Check your trunk and make sure you know where it is. Secret number 3, hidden storage compartments. Many SUVs, trucks, and sedans include hidden storage under seats or beneath floor panels. Perfect for emergency tools, important documents, valuables you don't want visible. Some are so well hidden, even long-term owners never discover them. Secret number 2, speed-sensitive volume control. Does your music get louder on the highway? That's speed-sensitive volume control. It adjusts audio levels automatically to match road noise. Less distraction, smoother driving, smarter technology. Secret number 1, auto lock when you walk away. Have you ever walked away and wondered if you locked your car? Many modern vehicles automatically lock once the key fob leaves sensor range. Some allow delay customization and confirmation beeps. This feature reduces theft risk and gives you peace of mind. And here's the surprising part. Many owners never activate it. Check your vehicle settings. How many of these did you already know? If this video helped you discover even one feature that saves you money or stress, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical automotive insights. Your car is smarter than you think. You just needed to know where to look.